Hey everybody, welcome back to Born Bearded. If you're brand new here, it's great to see you in. I really appreciate you stopping by. Today we're going to be getting into something a little bit different. We're going to be stepping outside of the oils and butters today, but we're going to stay close to something that matters. Natural care with a purpose. And today we're going to be diving into an all-natural soothing herbal salve from Bain Blends. And let me tell you, this is probably one of the most underrated things that they offer. This salve is a multi-use skin remedy. It's great for dry, cracking hands, rashes, eczema, minor cuts, scrapes, bruises, psoriasis, acne, bug bites, razor burn, and even poison ivy. The salve has no fillers and none of that artificial nonsense. It's just a clean, purposeful blend rooted in herbal healing. Now, I've used this salve on my hands when the weather tends to dry them out a bit, and it definitely helps. But I've also used this on razor burn. I've used it on small cuts and scratches. I have family members that are using this to help keep their acne under control and help to heal the sores from the acne. Now, Kay started using this salve and she absolutely loves it. She uses this daily because it not only helps with acne, but it can help with those scrapes that you get from work, and also KP, which is that keratosis pilaris. It's those little bumps that some folks tend to get on the back of their arms and the back of their legs. It really's been helping with that as well. Now, the same infusion that Bain Blends uses in their carrier oils, they also use in this salve, but they didn't stop at one or two heavy hitters. You've got a full lineup of heavy hitters here. You have things like calendula, marshmallow root, plantain, rose hips, echinacea, ashwagandha, ginseng, lemongrass, spearmint, rosemary, aloe vera, and beeswax. And there's a lot more oils and herbs in this salve. But out of all those ingredients, there are five that really stand out to me because they are doing some serious heavy lifting when it comes to skincare. Now, first off, we have black seed. Black seed is loaded with thymoquinone, and it helps reduce the inflammation from eczema, psoriasis, and even acne. It's antimicrobial, so it's going to help with that acne causing bacteria, and it has antioxidants, which is going to help defend your skin from those environmental stresses and damage. Number two is wormwood. Wormwood has powerful antimicrobial properties. It fights skin infections and it promotes healing. Now, wormwood is also an anti inflammatory, helping to calm redness and soothe irritation. It's also been used traditionally for antiparasitic purposes, which will help if the skin is suffering from deeper irritants. And number three is red raspberry extract, which is another favorite. It's packed with antioxidants, which helps with protecting your skin from those everyday environmental stressors. It may even stimulate collagen production, which helps keep your skin looking smooth. And it's naturally soothing. It helps calm red, sensitive, or inflamed skin. And number four is black walnut, and it brings a unique punch. It contains jugulone, which is both antifungal and antibacterial, that will really help fight off those stubborn skin issues. It's also an anti-inflammatory and an anti-parasitic, which means that it's going to work under the skin to support healing on more than just one level. And finally, for number five, we have goldenseal. Goldenseal is packed with berberine. Berberine is a natural compound that is both antimicrobial and wound healing. It reduces inflammation, it produces blood flow, and it helps damaged skin repair itself naturally and effectively. All the ingredients in this salve matter and they're there for a purpose. But these five, the black seed, wormwood, red raspberry, golden seal, and the black walnut, these are the MVPs of this salve, in my opinion. They don't just soothe the skin, they protect it, they soothe it, and they promote natural, healthy healing. The texture of the salve is it's buttery smooth. It melts as soon as it touches your skin. It absorbs quickly, but it's not sticky and it's not greasy. The scent on the salve is going to be straight herbal. It's just going to be fresh, clean, and natural. There's not going to be any perfumes in this. but it smells great and it's not overbearing. Now, if you're already using Bain Blends beard oils, and if you haven't tried them, you need to give them a shot. The salve is on the skin side of the same philosophy because that same carrier oil blend, again, is also what's in this salve. And it's found in things like the tobacco oud scent, the spice sandalwood. So your beard and your skin both can get that high level of care. It's cohesive, it's clean, and it's built with a purpose. Now, bottom line, this is not a skin cream with a fancy label on it. This is a legit recovery salve that you're going to find yourself reaching for daily. If you're really looking for something that's going to help your skin, whether it's due to acne, inflammation, there's room for this in your bathroom, in your gym bag. Use it wherever you feel it's going to help you the most. And don't forget, if you use Born 15, you're going to get 15% off of the salve and anything else site wide. And here we are at the end of the video. If you've tried Bain Blend salve, leave it down in the comments. I'm really curious to see what you thought about it, and it may inspire others to try it out. And also, if you wouldn't mind, would you please hit that like and subscribe button? It greatly appreciated. It really helps out the channel. And remember, your mental health is a priority. Your happiness is essential. Your self-care is a necessity. I'm Dave, and I was born bearded. Love you guys.